Hello, Moon Babes, Steph here, and it is the Sagittarius new moon, solar eclipse, and all of that yummy, delicious energy that comes with it. So when you're ready, go ahead and sit up nice and tall, taking a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes, pay attention. Notice whatever it is you're sitting on. Bring your attention into this moment. Allow the new moon's energy to flow to you. And if you'd like, you can place your hand over your heart, acknowledging all the emotion, all the challenges, everything you've overcome this last year. And also acknowledging all of your growth, all of your accomplishments. Just take a moment and become aware of all the ways you've grown this last year. What lessons have you learned? What have you remembered about who you are? What really matters to you? And check in with your heart and ask if this is true. And just receive that awareness about your growth, about who you are, and what's important to you. Now that you've spent some time reflecting, I want to invite you to decide what meaning 2022 will have for you. And pay attention. What has your intuition been trying to tell you, to pull you towards or push you towards? What lesson or growth or dream have you been cycling through your thoughts, through your mind, through your heart, trying to decide, to discover? Can you now decide to give this your time and attention? And now I want to invite you to choose what emotion you will give more attention to understand on a deeper level, to help you either move through or create more of. What emotion Do you want to understand? Do you want to hear what it's telling you? Do you want to build a deeper relationship with, so that you can have a deeper understanding of yourself? Because as you journey through the next year, knowing emotions will come, some that are pleasurable and some that are painful, and reminding yourself that whatever the intensity of the emotion is, whatever the message that's behind it, you can handle it all. You can handle all of the pain, and you can handle all of the pleasure. Knowing that emotions are messages into your soul, into yourself, into knowing who you are and what you want and what you need. Very well. Take a moment and share some gratitude for yourself, for who you are, and then some gratitude for this new moon and her loving, supportive energy. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes, taking in a deep breath and exhaling out your hope, your wonderment, your intentions. Thank you so much for joining me for this incredible new moon moment in time. Wishing you so much love, happiness, and self-awareness. Thank you for being here. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can continue to connect and enhance our energy and our lives. Sending you endless love. Until next time.